Good evening, everyone. Good evening, and welcome back to yet another session on this is a very important session on how to revise one chapter in just 15 to 20 minutes, maximum half an hour. Okay, this is a problem which is faced by many students. That is why I'm going to upload this special session for you. That is how to revise one chapter in just 15 minutes. Okay. So I'm going to give you three important tips or three important points. Point number one, whenever you take a chapter for revision, take the previous year questions. Okay. Take the previous year question. First of all, collect the 5 previous year questions. That is from 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Last 5 or 6 years papers, you have to collect questions from that chapter in which you're going to study. You have to solve those questions first of all, before you revise the chapter even. Okay, before you revise the chapter even, you must solve those questions, and if you make mistake, then come back to the topic from where you have made mistake and then revise that topic. Clear? Every student, every NEET aspirant is just like, they'll first of all take, suppose in chemistry, if you take a chapter solid state, first of all you go into the chapter, you will start reading about molecular solid, covalent solid, then you come to crystal lattices, then you will come on to the defect and everything. In middle, you will get stuck. Hexagonal close packing and all. At that point, you will get stuck. You won't understand what is mentioned in the NCERT. So you'll close your book. You will go back to a new chapter. So I don't want my children to do like that. You all must, first of all, whenever you take a chapter for revision, first of all, take the previous 5 to 6 years. Why I'm telling you to take 5 to 6 years of paper is in order to boost up your confidence. Because those are the recent trends in the paper. Even though you will see 2016 NEET paper was the most toughest and difficult paper in the history of entrance examination, and 2021 entrance examination is going to be the historical simplest question paper for you guys. So wait and watch September 12th of 2021. Okay, so my first point is to solve previous 5-year paper before you start solving or revising a chapter. If you get something wrong, if you're stuck with some portion, then go back to the theory and revise it and come back. Okay. Do not use any kind of a big or a fancy books like guides or a Pradeep guide or Eschand or whatever publications and all. Just stick on to your pure NCERT. Don't even go for your tuition notes of your class 12th and 11th, because they are mainly focused on your class notes. So NEET is not similar to the class notes. So just make sure you take out the NCERT, highlight the important points, you solve out the previous year question, mark from which all areas are the questions asked, study the topics related with that. Definitely you can score 140 plus marks in your chemistry and physics part. And for biology, make out short notes, list out all the examples, all the graphs, all the diagrams, everything. Since last year, no diagrams or graphs were asked or problems were asked. This year we are expecting simple graphs and diagram based question so that you will get marked easily. Many of you are thinking like diagram based question will not be very easy, like they will be making a lose so many marks. No guys, it is the most simplest. Match the following and diagram based questions are the most simplest way of scoring good mark. Okay, if you know the diagram, if you know one matching or one or two, definitely you will get the correct mark. Okay, so just stick on to your NCERT. That is the point number 2. Last and final point of today is that you must actually take breaks. Okay, that is, take breaks only after completing a unit. That is, a unit stands for 5 to 6 chapters. Don't think like after 15 minutes I finish one chapter, so I'm going to take a 1 hour break. No, just study it for 15. So in 15 into, you have to study nearly 2 to 3 hours continuously in this last moment. Continuously 3 to 3.5 hours continuously. And after that, take 10 or 15 minutes of break maximum. Don't go for long breaks. Okay, many students are having such a kind of a habit. Studying for a short time, breaks would be for a long time. Okay, so don't go for that. Just study long hours, take short breaks for the next 10 or 15 days. Stay 2 to 3 hours with at most concentration so that you can crack the exam. Bye bye guys. See you tomorrow with yet another important and a motivational tip. Bye.